Alright guys, time to look at HBAR here on the channel once again. So as you can see guys, HBAR is having quite a nice day. It's up about, I think, 18 or 19% last I looked here a few seconds ago. So what I believe is that once we close this weekly candle above this 18.1 cents, I do believe we're going to move up to 23.1 cents very shortly. And after this point, guys, I do believe we're going to get this rocket ship here, and we're going to move a little bit quicker because that will take us basically to the upper half of this trading. And that's what I want to see, guys. I want to see us break up into this upper half. And I don't believe that there's probably many people left from way back here. So probably everybody sold on the way down. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to see. Personally, that's just my opinion though, guys. Now let me put this on the daily time frame real quick and just show you how HBAR is maintaining this trend basically from the 14th of November. So if we do see a candle break below this trend line here, then we might have to worry a little bit, because then the next support is 12.7 cents, and that wouldn't be good, guys. So personally, in the bull market, though, right now, I don't believe we're going to see a breakdown. We might see a pullback to this trend line, but probably not break it, I would assume. Now, taking a look at the tokenomics of HBAR, there is 50 billion HBAR out. About 38.2 billion of that is circulating right now, guys. But I think HBAR has a big community. It's kind of like Cardano, Tron, XRP. These are coins with 50 billion or more. Circulating, or out basically, the max supply. And, communities like that, they do tend to eat up these coins, if they get released or unlocked. Now, I did take a look at the tokenomist website to see if there was any unlocks coming. I did not find anything about HBAR, so if anybody can find anything, let me know, because I don't know where these other nearly 12 billion coins are being held, or if they'll be unlocked, or what happens. Anyways, highest price for HBAR was about 57 cents about 3 years ago, guys. So still 65% down from its all-time high. So basically, it's a steal at this price, I would say, guys. And I truly believe HBAR can make it to at least $1 this cycle, and maybe even $1.50 to $2. Because most coins exceed their all-time highs if they're good projects, from previous cycles. So HBAR is an excellent, project. It's number 28 in market cap, guys. Keep that in mind. It's not one of these, project number 10,000. So yeah. All right, now taking a quick look at Bitcoin here. Not much has changed since yesterday. Let me extend this line a little bit here, but you can see that we have come down to retest this again basically earlier today, and we have gotten a bounce from this trend line that shows you this is the neckline basically of this inverse head and shoulders. So yeah, this target, guys, like I said last night, is up here at about 102,700. Now we still haven't met the target either from this little bull flag here, which is at 100,700, and we also have not met the target of $105,000 from, let's see, this giant consolidation that we did for months and months and months, guys, from like last February to middle of October. So we have a lot of targets here to meet, and it looks like everything is really a short-term target. I mean, we could meet these in a day if we get some good news. So yeah, guys, everything I think is looking good for Bitcoin though at the moment. Nothing drastic has happened. So yeah, taking a look at the crypto market cap basically with Bitcoin. This is daily time frame. So we have had 3 green candles in a row. As you can see, we did break this resistance here a few days ago, and it looks like I said, it's going to continue upwards. And now we need to kind of see some consolidation or some movement first, and then maybe we'll get some targets, later. But yeah, everything looks good for the total market cap here. And yeah, so if we continue to the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, really the same deal, although we do have a little bit of a red candle today. But yeah, we did break this resistance that we saw, you know, a few days ago, and we retested that and we got a big bounce. So let's see where this goes to. You know, we need some consolidation, or we need a bigger bounce, and then we'll be able to measure targets for later. Now, market cap, guys, it is kind of getting a bounce today, but it also did get a rejection today. If we zoom in here, basically, I mean, it almost touched this line. Like I always say, these lines are not 100% perfect. I could even adjust this slightly and it probably would touch that, you know, wick. So yeah, 57.55 is proving to be resistance right now. So hopefully, you know, we'll continue downwards from this point, guys. That resistance at the dominance 58.55% has resulted in well, we can say a 2-point bounce here. This morning it was 67, now it's 69. So as a result of it bouncing down off of that, you know, resistance here, I think we saw a couple of points just because of this, you know, this bounce down. Now, if we continue down, I do believe if we reach maybe 56.9 or we break under it, probably we're going to see true altcoin season. We'll probably break above 75, I truly believe. And yeah, you're going to see, you know, all of these cryptos just go crazy, you know, on crypto bubbles, for example. This is the top 100, and we have a lot of winners today. Now, there are a few red coins, of course, but they might have had excellent days yesterday, for example. So, yeah. Now, taking a look at the 81 right now, yesterday in 84, I do like to see it cool down, and I hope we do cool down a little bit further. You know, I would like to get under 80, even maybe somewhere around the 70, you know, 68 point level. I think that would be healthy, guys. So for the economic calendar this week, guys, I'll just mention the two most important days. Basically, it is on Tuesday where you have JOLTS job openings, and on Friday you have non-farm payrolls. Now, there are some other macro numbers this week, for example, ISM manufacturing numbers, or you know, maybe the PMI manufacturing here on Monday, ISM manufacturing, things like this. But truly the most important is Tuesday job openings and Friday non-farm payrolls. Now, if you want to stake your coins, guys, go to Coinondo and type in whichever coin you want, for example, Bitcoin. And be aware that there are limits here, and there are amounts, you know, days that you have to stake, which it may be locked, or if it's flexible or not. Now, for example, you don't want to get stuck with 360 days and the bull market passes, guys, and you lose a lot of money because you were staking. So keep that in mind. These bull markets can go quick. I personally believe we're going to be in this for at least another 9 months, though. But yeah, I mean, it's totally up to you what you want to do with your money and staking. And anyways, guys, if you like this video, give this a like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.